Good afternoon from Graham Family Farm. Today is beautiful. The sun's out. The sun's warm on your body, even though it is like 32 degrees out. This is what the temperature said on the computer. It might be a little bit warmer than that. Today I'm going to take a walk down, and so hopefully I can see the babies. They don't hear the golf cart. Well, that's not going to work. Harold can hear me out here or something, or the pigs told him I'm here. Yeah. How'd you know I was here? Yeah, see, you were sleeping with them, huh? The babies look like they just woke up. Silly pig. You act like you're starving. You just spoil rotten. The chicken's going, hey, we want the food too. At least we're quiet. See, Petunia's a better pig. She's waiting patiently. Somewhat. So everybody's happy. They got apples. Sure enjoy them. Yeah, I gave the chicken a tomato. That's all I had. They liked it. They all ran towards it. What are you doing digging in the hay? I tell you. Over here, I threw apples across the place, and the parents ran the piglets off. Yeah, I see you over there. I even threw them in front of the house, and the bull ran over there and blocked the door, and so they can eat all the apples, have them for themselves. Poor little piglets. There's a poor little guy right there. He's missing out. My daddy's a bully. So they come out and goes, hey, the guy with the food. Got some more? Well, if you need some piglets, I have some. Send me a message. We'll set you up with a couple. These are ready to go. That's not a labradoodle, that's a meth lab. What are you doing? Silly dog. I think these ducks here are getting grain that's being pushed out by the pigs. Well, it is a beautiful day. Still a little cold out here, but it's nice to see the blue in the sky, the sun shining down. This is the start of our Christmas weekend. The kids are over, and they're inside right now playing cards and chatting. So I'm going to wrap this thing up. Not much more I want to do out here today. So I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.